Are you planning a trip to Chile and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Chile in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you are interested. Those links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Chile is Airalo. If you want something cheap and flexible, Airalo is a great choice. For Chile, plans start at 1 GB for $5 and lasts 7 days. This is perfect if you just need Google Maps and WhatsApp. There's also a 2 GB option for $8 that lasts 15 days. For light social media use, 3 GB for $10.50 with 30 days is a solid pick. If you're staying longer, go for 5 GB at $15.50, 10 GB for $28 or 20 GB at $48. Each giving you a full 30 days. The Airalo app is super easy to use. Once you pick your plan and pay, you'll get a QR code instantly. Scan it and you're online. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get 10% off automatically at checkout. It makes those prices even better. Now, if you already tried Airalo and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you didn't like the options they offer, then I would recommend Maya Mobile. I've used it myself and they are awesome. If you care about speed and simplicity, Maya's plans are a solid choice. They do have shorter validity periods though. You can get a 10-day plan with 3 GB for $10.79, 5 GB for $16.19, or 10 GB for $26.99. For heavier users, there's a 20 GB plan for $42.29. If you want unlimited data, they also offer that for $34.19, but it's still within a 10-day period. Everything is 5G enabled and activates instantly. You don't need a separate app. The website is super easy to use and checkout is quick. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you straight to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Chile into the destination search bar and the list of plans appears. Choose the one that fits your itinerary and data appetite. At checkout, the 10% discount will already be applied, so there's nothing extra you need to do. The moment your payment clears, a QR code pops up on the screen and lands in your inbox. Open your phone's cellular settings, scan the code, and your new eSIM profile installs in seconds. Toggle it on and you're surfing Chilean 5G almost immediately. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? Airalo is a great choice if you're on a longer trip or don't need a ton of data. It's cheaper and lasts for a whole month, which makes it super convenient. But if you're heading to Chile for a quick trip and need fast data with an affordable unlimited option, Maya Mobile is the way to go. It's perfect for short-term use and gives you great value. Both links are in the description and the discounts are already included. Just choose the plan that works for your trip and follow the simple setup steps. And that's it. You'll be connected in Chile in minutes. No need to worry about roaming fees or dealing with SIM cards. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.